Hi there. Welcome to Craft with Kathie. Do you know someone who's witty, sarcastic? Some may even say a little bit snarky? This may make the ideal gift for them. I'm creating a little sign on a board and base and just hot gluing some apple blossoms from silk flowers to the bottom of the base. I wanted a little bit softer of a look to kind of work as a counterpoint to the actual wording of the sign. And for the sign, I'm going to be using our transfers. Think of them as stencils on steroids. They're made of vinyl and silkscreen, and the silkscreen gives you this beautiful clarity to any of the images and the wording. The transfer is also adhesive backed, so I'm just diminishing the adhesiveness a bit here before I apply it to the sign. And then I'm going to use our chalk paste, not chalk paint. That's a totally different thing. This is paste that was specially formulated to work with these stencils. I'm smoothing the stencil down, and now I'm going to apply the chalk paste with a squeegee, just gently wiping it over the silkscreen portion so that the paste goes through the silkscreen and onto the surface below. And I'm using two different colors here, a very, very bright pink, deep pink, or like a hot pink if you will, and a beautiful gold metallic. You could use whatever colors appeal to you. Now, using this transfer is a little bit different from stencils. After I finish applying all the paste, I'm going to lift the stencil up. I don't need to wait for it to dry. As a matter of fact, I want to lift it up before the chalk paste dries because we don't want the chalk paste drying in the silkscreen. These transfers, or stencils if you will, are reusable. So you can make this for a friend, make it for yourself, make a bunch of gifts for your witty friends. Whatever appeals to you. I'm just finishing up applying the chalk paste. Once I'm done and have all the silkscreen covered, then I will smooth it over, remove any excess paste and smooth out any lines that might be there, put the excess paste back into the jar, and then it's peel and reveal time. Now our paste will take about 5 to 8 minutes to dry. It goes on liquid but dries to a hard finish that is removable off of many different surfaces. On chalkboard, dry erase board, glass, metal, mirror, you can erase our paste with a spritz of water and then reuse the surface again. Here's the peel and reveal. As the paste dries, this will darken up a little bit. There you go. What do you think?